Have you heard the myth about Tame, the train that never left?
I'm not scared of no Tommy.
What's so scary about a train?
Hey, look, guys. I'm going to scream Tommy 3 times and maybe he'll come out. Tommy! Tommy! Tommy!
Not funny, Rainbow.
Welcome, students, back to your first day of train history. But first, I will be taking attendance. Do we have a Draco here?
Here.
Gold?
Here.
Lunar?
Present.
Rainbow? You know what? I'm just not gonna ask why you did that. And everyone, please meet Tommy.
I ain't ever seen you on the block.
That's because I'm new. Didn't you hear? Why are you talking like that?
I told you, Tame's real. Tame's real.
What's happening, I can't talk without ing.
Hey, you. What's your favorite color?
It's pink.
Not anymore.
I understand. I understand the power now.
It's too late.
You know what's gonna happen to you, right? Please, Tame, the train, have mercy on me. It is not my fault that the passengers did not ride your train.
I'll give you 30 seconds to run.
If I hide here forever, Tame will get me.
No escape.
Wait up, bus! I'm getting out of here. I'm ditching town. I'm never coming back here again. Bus driver, please take me to the coldest continent, Canada, please.
How about I take you to air?
Oh!